Hi everyone, good evening. Sorry, I'm Esiba and I'll be covering good analysis from weekly to 1 hour to see what good is doing. And don't forget tomorrow there is inflation news. Tomorrow is inflation news tomorrow, so that too will affect the direction of gold. As you can see, it's going to affect the direction of gold. So now, starting our analysis from the daily, and I'm going to show you the trades I've picked along the way. So let's start. I'm start by using line analysis. So my strategy is simple. I'm looking for buy zones and sell zones. Structurally, gold is changing to bullish 10 TSs. So my focus now will be on what maximizing going long instead of going short. So looking for buy zone is simple. First thing is I want to locate the previous trend line. So how I locate the previous trend line is starting from the bottom here. This is a previous high low, um low high, low high. Connect the two. So connecting the two, there's a break. So and when when the trend line was getting broken, you have something like this high, a new high, then a new higher low. So this higher low that break this high confirms what a buy zone area. So I just mark it. That's the area I want to want to look for long around. It applies to all time frame from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, everything. If you change to line again, you can see again here trend line broken, then new new high form, new higher low, then this is what this higher low that break this high. So now what a buy zone. So I mark it. So I mark it. Let's go and look for previous what previous sales unformed. So this is what a previous sales formed. We can see a large candle what took it out. So the probability price will react from this candle based on how price comes into this candle. So also this another previous what sell zone. So moving to 4 hours. So this moving to 4 hours. So if you notice, this is a what? A buy zone. This is sell zone that was what being respected. That was being respected until it was broken by this large candle. So let me just quickly cover my analysis on 4 hours. So this is a what? A buy zone area. This is a what? A buy zone area. So another thing is to look to the left and search for another buy zone, a previous sell zone. So going here, this is a previous what sell zone. So I use this horizontal line to identify it. I move to the right. Moving to the right, this is the candle that took it out. So I mark the candle. So then um we will check the reaction. Then we can see for now that what a sell zone are formed on what 4 hours. So basically I'm expecting drop to this side if price will follow it, because when a new sell zone formed, the buy zone that is closer to it is going to get taken out. So let's go and check what happened on lower time frame at the buy zone and everything. So at this 4 hours buy zone, you can see that this is a what buy zone that was formed on 1 hour. I'm going to show you the trades I've picked, the trades I picked. So now let's go to what 15 minutes time frame. I use 15 minutes time frame to pick the trade mostly. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So in this 4 hours what buy zone area, you can see what price started changing direction, trend line taking out, but not tangy. It did not take out a previous sell zone or formed what a buy zone, but here it formed a buy zone here. This high taken by breaking got broken by a new higher low. So this is area where you want to what buy this candle area or here. So you just place your stop loss here. So yeah, this is another entry here, but this is not where I pick my trade from. This is where I pick my trade from during the Asian section in the midnight. So connected trend line, you can see it might not be visible that this was broken, but it was a what a reversal. So and as it was getting formed, I wait for it to form finish. When this candle plays above this, I long. So you can see price moved up. Yes, price moved up. Price moved up. So now that's the trade on Asian. I slept here. So when I woke up, the trade has gotten back my stop loss. I thought it is not going to reverse, but I've forgotten it was lower time frame. So I woke up to stop loss. So I waited for London section reacting to this 1 hour buy zone. Yes, so let me do 1 hour time zone. I go to 15 minutes time frame again. So I use Wanda to take the trade, but I'm currently using FSCM because it's a new trade, like a new chart entirely. So I wait for this to be taken out, closed here. So as we're taking out, I entered here. Yeah, I entered around here. Then I closed many of my position here because I wanted to be away from the chart. I closed many position here. Then, as you can see, a lot of retracement happened when this trend was broken. This confirmed what 15 minute retracement. So price moved what price moved down, even breaking this previous buy zone. So now I'm going to wait for 4 hours to give us direction before we want to do, because 4 hours now is is 4 hours are from the sell zone on FSCN. But let's check Rwanda. For Rwanda, it has not formed on Rwanda. So the reason why I like using Rwanda is price action is closer to like how price is happening in the market. Now, if I follow the FSCN, I might go stop out because on this place, this higher time from Rwanda, price has not formed the what new trend, new what sell zone. So moving on. So I want to wait to see what 4 hours should do before what doing anything. So if 4 hours failed to close here, then I will what consider going long again. If I see two candle did not close below here, but if candle close below this new low, I'm changing my TSCs, because one thing, as I was developing my trading ideas and my trading strategy, so the book that helped me so much after so many searching for wisdom, you know. So I come across this book written 2002 or 1999 by the largest bank in Europe, that's Deutsche Bank. So it really helped me a lot in simplicity and economic indicators. So that's it. Waiting for what 4 hours to do. You can see if you check on my trades on this one, you see, you see everything I did. So that's it. Thank you.